Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. When people think of technology, startups and billion-dollar companies, one place comes to mind: Silicon Valley. But how did this small part of California become the center of the tech world? In this video, we'll explore the story of Silicon Valley, where it started, how it grew, and what's coming next. Silicon Valley did not start with iPhones or social media. It started with radios and microchips. In the early 19th century, Stanford University helped students turn ideas into companies. In 1939, Bill Hewlett and Dave Packard started Hewlett Packard in a small garage in Palo Alto. Today, that garage is called the birthplace of Silicon Valley. In the 1950s, William Shockley, who helped invent the transistor, opened a lab in Mountain View. Some of his workers left to start the Fairchild Semiconductor. From Fairchild came many new companies, including Intel in 1968. They made silicon chips, and that's how the area got the name of Silicon Valley. In the 1970s and 80s, Silicon Valley moved from chips to personal computers. Apple started in 1976 in another garage with Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak building the Apple. Atari made video games, Oracle made software. At the same time, investors came to the valley on Sand Hill Road. Venture capital firm funded small startup with big dreams. This culture of startup plus investors become the heart of Silicon Valley. In the 1990s, the internet changed everything. Netscape, Yahoo, eBay and Google all started here. Investors rushed in, startups grew fast and the stock market soared. But by 2000, the bubble burst, many internet companies failed and billions of dollars were lost. Still some survived. Google became the leader of search. PayPal kept growing, and soon after Facebook moved from Harvard to Palo Alto. Today, Silicon Valley is home to the biggest tech companies in the world: Apple, Google, Meta, Netflix, Tesla, and many more. These companies show how we talk, shop, travel, and even watch movies. But Silicon Valley is not just big names. Thousands of small startups are still chasing the next big idea. Investors are still betting on the future. The valley also has problems. Housing is too expensive, traffic is bad, and many people can't afford to live there. Other cities like Austin, Seattle, and even places outside the US are competing with Silicon Valley. But the mix of Stanford, money, and talent here is still tough to beat. So what's next for Silicon Valley? Artificial intelligence, clean energy, biotech, and space technology are growing fast. Companies like OpenAI, SpaceX, and many startups are working on ideas that could change our future. Even if other cities rise, Silicon Valley will always be remembered as the place where modern tech began. That's the story of Silicon Valley, from garages to global tech power. Do you think Silicon Valley is still the best place of startup, or is another city catching up? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech stories.